Buckle up, Buttercup.
Lockers.
See the smack talk? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are headed to Windrock Off-Road Park, and there's like a Bronco probably for the next 2 miles behind me and the next quarter mile ahead of me. There is a ton of Broncos headed to this. So this is going to be a great video. You're going to see all generations. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be amazing, so stay tuned. We are at Windrock in Tennessee for the Super Cell off-road meet. We're all getting ready to go. All generation Broncos. It's going to be a blast. I didn't get it on camera, but Kyla said that we have to come back to the show muddy to show people we actually use our Bronco. So of course, I'm going to grant her her request.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My brand new white shirt.
Well, that was dumb, but that was fun.
Your sunglasses is dripping down.
Well, you asked to get it muddy. So.
On the outside. That was crazy. But that was really fun. You kind of like hit a bump and my hand was like, oh.
You having fun?
Yep, I love it. It's awesome.
You're behind me, right? Mm-hmm. But look how clean his rig is. I think you're still pavement, princess.
The reason it's still clean is because my tires aren't spinning. Lockers.
See the smack talk? I think you need to get this dirtier. Has it ever been dirty?
Oh yeah, I've got the redneck pinstripes already.
Oh,
that was
that's
before.
right.
That was before this trip.
I mean, you could have just went with a stick.
Yeah, but who's that petty? I'm not. I would never do that.
We don't have a spotter, so let's pick a line and wing it. is scented enough to have a spotter come and rescue me.
It's not bad. It's just gotta find the right line.
Sweet! Yeah, baby! That was fun! Wasn't bad.
That was super nice.
Got her. I love seeing the older Broncos out here. The view here is so beautiful. You don't get these kind of views in Florida. The mountains really are just so gorgeous. We got separated from the other Broncos, so I think we're gonna go head over to meet back up with them. We had a great time at Windrock. In fact, I want to come back. There's 73,000 acres here to explore, so I feel like I haven't even scratched the surface of this place. We are going to head back down to Townsend and go back to the show, but this wraps up this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, share the video. Be sure to follow us on social media. If you want to send us mail, our P.O. Box info is below. Be sure to check out our website, buckleupbuttercuptv.com, for promo codes, affiliates, and just all kinds of other awesome stuff. And like always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And until next time, buckle up, Buttercup. This is how a Bronco should show up to Super Cell right here.